Welcome to class 9th. This is Rakesh Kumar from Rawal Public School. Today I am here to discuss the chapter Force and Laws of Motion, and the picture showing that a boy is carrying a cart in which the girl is sitting with his muscular force. And now the question is, what is force? Force is push or pull. For example, when we open and close the door, in this case, sometime we push the door and sometime we pull the door. So it means that we are applying force. Now here are the effects of force. First is force. Force is an external effort which may move a body at rest or stop. There are the some effects. First, force can move a body at rest. For example, in this picture, first picture, person is applying force to push the car. Second is force can stop a moving body. In the second picture, a goalkeeper is trying to stop the ball by applying force. In the third picture, force can change the speed of moving body. A person or cyclist, when he apply a large force to move the bicycle, then speed of the bicycle increases. Fourth, force can change the direction of the body. A batsman hits the ball in a particular direction by changing the direction of bat. Fifth, force can change the shape and size of the body. When we roll a chapati, then its shape changes. In the next one, there are the types of forces. Contact, in which our body remain in direct contact with the body when we push or pull the objects, and non-contact in which our body does not remain in a proper contact with the object in which we apply force. Non-contact force is basically maybe gravitational force, electrostatic force, magnetic force, and the contact force is muscular force, frictional force, mechanical force. Friction, when we move on the ground or any object rolls on the surface, then an opposite force take place which oppose the motion of an object. That force is known as frictional force. Newton's first law. Newton's first law is also called the law of inertia, and the first law states that an object remains in the state of rest or in uniform motion in a straight line when we apply a force to change that state. And inertia is the natural tendency of the object to remain to that particular state. That's why this is known as law of inertia. Suppose in this picture, glass and a paper cover in which the coin is placed, when we apply a force, then coil want to remain at rest. That's why it falls down inside the glass. Now inertia, inability of the body to change by itself its state of rest or motion. There are three types of inertia. First is inertia of rest, in which body want to remain at rest until the force is applied on it. Inertia of motion, in which the body want to remain in motion until the force is applied. Inertia of direction, in which the body is want to remain in the same direction until the force is applied. Momentum, product of mass and velocity, is known as momentum. Its formula is mv, and p is the symbol. It is vector quantity. It means it has both magnitude and directions. SI unit is kilogram meter per second, and sometimes it is also discussed as the quantity of motion contained in a body. So I hope you all have discussed or learned about some important topics of chapter force. Thank you. Have a nice day.